This is how we swap a hard drive for a server. Notice this is the button that releases that latch. You can close this once it's out, just for ease of access. On the side there are two screws that need to be removed. Also notice that the hard drive connector pins are on the very edge of this caddy. We'll be lining them up again in just a minute. Just take a normal Phillips screwdriver, remove all 4 screws. Make sure not to strip out the screw head. Flip it over. Once the 4 screws have been removed, you can just pull it out, get your new replacement hard drive. Again, there's the connector. It goes with the label up and flush the end of the hard drive to the end of the caddy. And if you look here, you'll see that it lines up to screw holes. Once it lines up to screw holes and it's flush here, you've got it in place correctly. There's only one way you can do it. Then put the screws back. Again, check to make sure that it's in the right spot. Before you insert this caddy and hard drive into the server, you'll need to press this button.